Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Morrigan English Academy. Myself Kukishmita, and today on 15th of July I'm going to start science for class 6. So today we will start lesson 3 from your science textbook, which is fiber to fabric. Okay, so in this chapter mainly we will discuss about clothes. Okay, so clothes, food and shelter are the primary needs of all human beings. Okay, ancient people can stay without clothes. Okay, ancient peoples, they have lived without clothes, but we are the modern people cannot stay without cloth, food and shelter. Okay, so for survive, the modern people mainly depends on the cloth, food and shelter. Clothes are used mainly to protect our body against the weather, strong sunlight, extreme cold or heat and rain. Clothes protect us from insects. They also reflect and add to our personality. The kind of clothes people wear mainly depends on the climate. Okay, in summer season we don't used to wear sweaters. Okay, so our clothes are depend on the seasons. That is why traditional clothes are vary from place to place. Human beings have been wearing clothes since ancient times. They would cover their bodies with leaves and skins of animals. Earlier clothes were made by hand, and we have evidences of stitching needles made of bones and ivory, which are about 30,000 years old. Today clothes are mostly made by machines, but handmade clothes are also used in many parts of our country. Now see history of clothing. As you know, in olden days, the clothes worn by human beings were made of animal skins and different types of furs. Fur means skin of an animal. Skin of an animal. With time, human beings found other materials to make clothes. Clothes were made from the bark of trees and even grass. The bark was pounded really hard to make it soft like pieces of cloth. These soft pieces would be sewn together and then colored with natural dyes. Around 2000 BCE, people finally started to weave cloths. Okay, so this is the history of clothing. In ancient times, people wear fur of animals, means skin of an animal, and leaves of trees. Okay, this type of cloths wear by ancient people. Now see fibers. What is fiber? The thin threads that form a cloth are fibers. Okay, fibers are thin threads. There are two types of fiber, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are either obtained from plants, for example cotton and jute, or from animal, for example silk, wool and fur. Okay, these are the natural fibers we get from nature. Okay, from plants or from animals, so these are called natural fibers. Other than this, leather is also obtained from animals, so leather is also a natural fiber. Synthetic fibers are made from materials which are artificially prepared in factories, for example nylon, terylene, etc. So synthetic fibers are artificially prepared in factories by using chemicals. Okay, so some examples of synthetic fibers are nylon and terylene. Okay, so in next class we will discuss about plant fibers. Okay, so thank you for today.